Hi guys, Eric here from Melozo. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing and a first impression of the new MoonSwatch swatch straps. For the record, this is the official replacement of the swatch straps that comes default with every MoonSwatch that you purchase. If you don't know what default MoonSwatch looks like, it's pretty much just this one. A lot of people that I know would actually swap this one almost immediately because of how bad they are. So with this one, better late than never, Swatch gave us an official solution. So this one comes in multiple length, and this one is size small because my wrist is around 6 inches, and they just use the same packaging, which is a different sticker for every size. Nothing special. So inside is you get the strap. This looks quite small, but we'll see how it goes, and a strap changing tool. So most of the time, the strap that comes with it is not a quick release spring bar. So this is a quick release spring bar. So they give you a strap changing tool, and the QR code in here will teach you on how to swap it. So already some quick feedback. So you'll already notice here that it looks rubber because it is rubber, and the texture of the front one to make it look like an astronaut suit. That's what the online description says, and the back to make it look like the crater of the lunar surface. So as you can see here, it's already a quick release spring bar, which makes it easy to pretty much swap the strap. So as much as I want to show you how to change the strap, my MoonSwatches already comes with a rubber strap, and if you're curious what this is, I'll link it down in the description below. But I'll show you what the strap changing tool would actually look like. So should be good enough for changing a MoonSwatch strap. You don't need a burgeon tool for that one. Quick releases are great because they just make it so much easy to change strap, especially with the MoonSwatches. The fact that you wanna make, mix and match with your MoonSwatches. Having a quick release spring bar of this one does make sense, and you don't have to worry much about damaging the MoonSwatch. It's cheap enough, I suppose. Yep. So the one with the loop actually goes into the, I believe, to the top one. There you go. That was an easy fix. Okay, I can honestly say that Swatch did a good job with the sizing of this one. So like I mentioned, my wrist size is small, and I have plenty of ample space for the Velcro. Probably this is currently in Australia, so my wrist is on the bigger side, and it's still have a good amount of space. First impression is it does really feel nicer. It's more supple because of the rubber, and because it's rubber, it's going to be sweat resistant as well. And of course, being rubber, it doesn't really go up and down. It's quite solid, and it smells a bit funny because it's still new. But yeah, I really dig this. At 70 AUD, I don't know how much. I'll check how much is in US dollar. I think it's not a bad choice. At 70 bucks AUD, there's a lot of leather straps, but if you want something rubber, like this is what I'm going to compare it. These are FKM rubber straps, and these are way more supple than you can ever think. Also hypoallergenic, does a similar thing. So, and you can get this one wet. With this one you get a Velcro, so I don't know how that one is gonna handle getting submerged in water, but it should be sweat resistant, and this is by nature already sweat resistant, so you won't have any problem. But like I said, I really dig this. I know. Should quickly show you what the red one looks like. This is what the red one looks like. Actually, it looks really good as well. I actually really dig this one, and partly because I think the reason why I like this one is because you still get the MoonSwatch logo, you get the MoonSwatch text, so it looks a bit branded, compared to the replacement ones where you didn't actually get this. Like you can see here, it's a Speedmaster. Looks really good. So I actually really like the look of it, and I don't know what's the durability of it yet, but otherwise 70 bucks, not too much, and you get an official one. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one. Leave some comment below, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.